years. If you don't want to miss any of the videos uploaded by me, please follow these steps. In your cell phone, open YouTube and in the search box type Shekhar Maths. You will see my photograph in a circle and also a subscribe button. So touch the subscribe button and also touch the bell icon and select all. You will get instant notifications whenever I upload any of my videos. Welcome to Shekhar Maths. Today we are going to learn 6th class Mathematics Semester 2, 7th chapter Introduction to Algebra, Exercise 7.3 Problems. Before going to do the solutions to the problems of exercise 7.3, let us know the concept, expression. It is a number or a variable or a combination of numbers and variables and operation symbols. Let us take examples. 3 is a number, so it is an expression. P, it is a variable, a letter, it takes any values, so it is also an expression. Let us take the combination 3 plus P, where 3 is a number, plus is operation symbol, P is a variable, so it is also an expression. Now let us know the concept, equation. It is a mathematical statement of two expressions connected with equal to sign. Let us take an example. మార్కెట్లో పొటాటో అమ్మేటువంటి ఒక అతను తీసుకోండి. దీంట్లో రైట్ సైడ్ ఒక 2 కిలోగ్రామ్ వెయిట్ ఉంది, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 2 కిలోగ్రామ్ వెయిట్తో ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్న పొటాటోస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ మనము పొటాటోస్ కొనేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ తక్కెడలో మధ్యలో ఉన్న ముళ్ళు ఈక్వల్గా ఉందా లేదా చూస్తాం. దట్ ఈస్ LHS ఈక్వల్ టు RHS. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వేషన్. లెట్ us టేక్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇక్కడ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 1 కిలోగ్రామ్ వెయిట్ ఉంది, రైట్ సైడ్ 1.5 కిలోగ్రామ్ టమోటాస్ ఉన్నాయి. అయితే ఇక్కడ గమనించండి, మధ్యలో తక్కెడ యొక్క ముళ్ళు ఎలా ఉంది, నాట్ ఈక్వల్. LHS is not equal to RHS, so this is not equation. Let us take some more examples. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Here 1 plus 2 is an expression, 3 is an expression. N is equal to 5, N is an expression, 5 is an expression. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్కు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాటిని LHS అంటాము, ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్కు రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న వాటిని RHS అంటాము. LHS ఈక్వల్ టు RHS అయినప్పుడు దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. లెట్స్ టేక్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 7.3. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఐడెంటిఫై విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. 1 2 3 4 5 6. సొల్యూషన్. ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్. ఇక్కడ పైన ఉన్న లెక్కల్లో ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో గమనించండి. 1 4 5. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఇన్ అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దేర్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ సింబల్, లెస్ దాన్ సింబల్, సో దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. నౌ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్ LHS and RHS of the following equations. 1 2 3. Solution. Write the equations. X minus 5 is equal to 6, 4y is equal to 12, 2z plus 3 equal to 7. Equal to symbol को left side गमनिंचंडी. These expressions are called LHS. So x minus 5, 4y, 2z plus 3. Now observe the expressions on the right side of equal to sign, that is 6, 12 and 7. These are called RHS of the equation. Now for the first equation, x minus 5 is equal to 6. LHS is x minus 5. RHS is 6. Now for the second equation, 4y is equal to 12. LHS is 4y and RHS is 12. For the third equation, 2z plus 3 equal to 7. LHS is 2z plus 3 and RHS is 7. Now let us know the concept, trial and error method. In this method, the solution of the equation is the value of the variable for which LHS is equal to RHS. Let us take an example, exercise 7.3. First problem, x plus 3 is equal to 5. Then find the x solution. ఇక్కడ మనము x బదులుగా వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చుకుంటూ పోతాం. Let us take, put x is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 3, right side 5, left side 1 plus 3 is 4, right side 5. 4 is not equal to 5, that is LHS is not equal to RHS, means x is equal to 1 is not the solution. Now put x is equal to 2, that is 2 plus 3, left side, right side 5, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5, 5. So both are equal. That is LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution of the equation x is equal to 2. Now let us take third problem. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. 1, 2, 3. First problem is already done as an example. Now second problem. Y minus 2 is equal to 7. We have to put values for y from 3. Put y is equal to 3 on LHS, that is y minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. RHS 7. 1 is not equal to 7, so it is not the solution. Put y is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. RHS 7. 2 is not equal to 7, so it is also not solution. Put y is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3 on LHS. RHS 7. 3 is not equal to 7, so it is also not solution. Put y is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is 4 on LHS. On RHS 7. 4 is not equal to 7, so it is also not solution. So into. Put y is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. RHS 7. 5 is not equal to 7, so it is also not solution. Put into. Now put y is equal to 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. RHS is 7. So 6 is not equal to 7, so it is also not solution. Now put y is equal to 9. That is 9 minus 2 is 7 on LHS. RHS is 7. 7 is equal to 7, so it is the solution. Tick mark. So whenever you put tick mark, then y is equal to 9 is the solution of the above equation. Now third problem. Equation is a plus 4 is equal to 9. So put a is equal to 1, then 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 on LHS. RHS is 9. 5 is not equal to 9, so it is not the solution. Put into. Put a is equal to 2, then 2 plus 4 is 6. RHS is 9. 6 is not equal to 9, so it is also not solution. Put into. A is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 4 is 7. RHS is 9. 7 is not equal to 9, so it is also not solution. Put a is equal to 4. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. LHS, RHS is 9. 8 is not equal to 9, so it is also not solution. Now put a is equal to 5. That is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 on LHS. RHS is 9. 9 equal to 9, so it is tick mark. That is, it is the solution. Whenever you put to tick mark, then the value of the a is the solution. So a is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to subscribe. Say Karmas.